Service in San Angelo has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Runnels County in west central Texas until 8 a.m. At 7:19 a.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Bollinger, moving north at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Bollinger around 7:30 a.m., Benoit around 7:35 a.m., Hatchell around 7:40 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bollinger Lake. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.